Mr. Ducky. Hello. What are you doing, Mr. Ducky? Nothing much, just walking towards you. Oh, I see. What are you doing, Ducky? Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ducky, why did you do it? It's okay, Ducky. I forgive you. But next time, don't do it. I will kill you! Not when I have this. No, not that. Yes, this. This. It will destroy you with one single hit. Pew! Ducky, are you dead? Ducky, are you dead? What? No, I am not dead. Well, then maybe 2 of my orange darts thing will kill you. It's very appealing, but I don't think so. If it will, no it won't. If it will, no it won't. Then we'll just have to see about that. Are you dead? How about now? I think you're dead.